everybody, and welcome back to Coblentz Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. In today's video, we're back in Edinburgh, Pennsylvania. We're going to be putting in the doors and the windows and putting the metal on the sides. Come check it out. The first thing that we need to do is frame in for our doors and our windows. He is cutting the green board down for the door to match the top of our concrete. After we get the rough opening of the door frame, it is time to install the door. We installed black J-channel around the brick mold of the door. We can insert our cut metal edges in the J-channel. It'll give us a nice clean look. Now that the door is installed, it's time to do the windows. Because the existing building is brick, we have to wrap the windows with 2x4s so that we have something to attach our trim to. We special ordered this trim specifically for the windows. Before we install our metal, we put this base angle down, or some people call it rack guard. It closes off the bottom ridges of the metal so that animals can't get in there. After we install the house wrap, we put the metal on. He marks all the screws every 2 feet so that they are in a straight line. Then he needs to cut the angle of the truss at the top. Unfortunately, the windows didn't come with J channel on them, so we have to put J around the windows. He has to cut each side of this piece of metal for around the garage doors. So that'll wrap up today's video. I really like the way that this project is turning out. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and come check us out on the next one. Our next video, I'll be showing you the finished product of this build. I hope to see you then. If you are in the northwestern Pennsylvania or eastern Ohio area and are interested in us building your building and being featured on one of our next videos, then call me, Robert, at 814-572-5241, and I'd be happy to talk to you.